think I ended off yesterday's vlog, so I think we are getting a little bit better. Yeah, today is Monday. I was about to say January, but it is Monday, December the 28th. Happy Boxing Day, because a lot of places are celebrating Boxing Day.
Especially UK.
Today, you can go after the blue one, you know. Yeah, a lot of people are celebrating Boxing Day today because it fell on a weekend. But shout out to everybody I know, especially the UK is celebrating today. So I mean, I know when this goes up, it's going to be well after Boxing Day. But sentiments still stay the same. Right now, we are headed to... Babe, we are going to taste this? Yeah, we want to go taste this because I want a fries too. We are going to go get some patties. We have a baby shower gift for drop off.
I ate a patty with cheese though.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up some patties for the house. We have to go link one of Babe's good friend and go drop off a baby shower gift.
Best man.
Yeah, and I think that's really it for now. I don't know what else we have planned for later, but as of right now, that is, yeah. We just wake up not too long, drink tea, bus gas, and now we're up on the road, so journey with me. Port Henderson!
Hi, hello, you're past the People Dem for ad.
Yeah, good morning, forget my pass here. What you want? The fish or chicken sandwich?
No, cheese patty and a fries and a drink.
I want 1 cheese patty and fries. You get that? And a fries, regular fries. Yeah. And a juice. And we want flip.
Ting?
Ting, want a ting. Cup ting. And you want 3 regular
There's
patty.
a spider.
And a chicken one.
It's like right here.
Yeah. Yeah. 1,210? Oh, 1,250. Alright, thanks.
Yo, Joel can't concentrate. Okay?
Where's my name?
No, Joel, you have a problem. You don't take your time. He doesn't take his time to do anything, people. Okay? Every drive-through we will drive past the speaker person.
One time. Let's know that KFC. You want to stop before we reach there. With the people them to talk. Remember that part.
What?
That's how they are KFC. You want to pass it. You want to stop before we reach the woman to talk. I'm the waiting.
At least we stop before, not after.
At least we still can talk.
You're full of money though, my man.
When we stop yesterday, we couldn't even talk to nobody. I dummy we have to. At least we can shout but you still here. Broke like that. So we get rich.
We don't have enough.
I don't ever hide that.
Where my money there?
I'm not the money for you. Use up all that. You got my money now. You're still full of money, but you're checking the crowd.
Anyways, people.
You have 5 minutes left and I'm shot.
Babe, what you order?
I order cheese. I order 3 regular ones, because AJ don't eat cheese.
Okay.
Cut for now 1 cheese. So 3 regular, 1 chicken for me. You might eat on a regular, or you eat it half it. I know you're not going to want this one. Just buy your patty and the fries and the juice. You don't want the juice. You can't buy them juice. Too much acid. I'm sure I had orange juice actually.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, maybe I should have got a box drinks instead. But so it goes. Anyways, so it goes. Yeah, I'm on vacation. I'm on quarantine. People made up on quarantine here. So as you can see, me in one of vehicles. Drive through, right through. Not really, unless me I got a grocery store done, and even then. She asked Joel if me not pull him every second.
And now I need more time. More time. Nobody not operate but you.
Yeah, but that's the problem. That's the problem. You guys don't abide by the 2 meters 6 feet apart. I have to constantly keep reminding him.
We love each other. We're loving people.
That's not the point. Right now is not the time to be so close. We cannot be so close with one another. If we want to hug up and kiss up and do all of those things, we have to do all of these things.
Like I said, we're not for the close.
We're not supposed to be close to each other technically. But you don't want to leave me alone.
The Babylon chicken. Segregate, you know?
Every second you want to rub. Me here say you can't all catch COVID from come. Somebody here, I'm not telling a lie. Somebody did hear. Me here say you can't catch it from. Yeah, from bodily fluid. Them I tell married people, them not for really a do them time here. But I think we should try it though, babe. No, but I think we should try it. I think we should try it though. Not to dugu during this time. What if we make our child? What if we conceive? Then if them have a COVID, you know, never.
Come against that.
In the name of Jesus. Alright, people. Food soon come. When it come back. I can't talk to no pan hungry belly. Yeah? I'm a hot.
That's right.
Hot dog.
So they make it like a fresh air.
Hot dog. Yeah. Couldn't even see myself before. Shit, man.
That's really the light bouncing.
How are you guys enjoying Jamaica so far?
Comment down below.
I still want to do a little give back some way, somehow.
Next year, we definitely going to do something.
Not even next year. I'm not even wait till next year. I want to do something before I left. Whether it be I buy food, I'ma give it to people.
Clothes, like the food, like.
Baby, yeah, but we cannot do that now. I still want help now in some way. Whether I'ma buy credit, I'ma just put it online and make people just take off or whatever. Yes, that's different. But I want to do something. There's people who are hungry. There's people
clothless. That's what I'm saying. Even the children.
Joe, but we can plan the clothes part next year. We cannot talk about that now.
Yeah, I understand. Because I'm prepared.
But there's other ways that I can do something now. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. I know I definitely have to do something before I leave.
Without seeking nothing.
I was really blessed this year, so I feel like I have a little extra when I can, you know, give back.
Some of the poor, give me something.
So yeah, guys, be back when we get our food, if we ever get it.
I forget it.
The food is here!
Oh, this paper.
The food is here. I got my fries.
Right.
And we got Wally patties.
Yeah, it's short packet today, no?
I'm just wait for my drinks. No, I wait for my cup soda. Because that's a cup soda.
Thing, you know?
And a drinks, you know, and it's not a soft drink, it's cup soda. When you're here in Jamaica, you gotta talk like the Jamaicans do. It's cup soda. Wow. Right on time. Thank you. I thought I wasn't recording. Breakfast! Okay. That's what I thought. Say thought, babe. I love when you say thought, yeah. I love when you say thought. Turn me on. Thought. When Joel tried twang, it turns me on.
Oh, me used to speak English. Like me rebellious one. Man, I used to speak proper English. I was at prep school. One color.
Yeah, no. Alright, people. Later.
Yes, I see that is oh, we get the fresh fish them. In general, you know? One more buy fish from, I don't want to buy sliced fish. Some real fish, you know? I don't know there. One. Easy scale.
Yeah, man, morning, yeah?
Look at that.
Yeah, man, no disrespect, man.
Man,
chopper this, you know.
Chopper.
You tell me chopper, you see it?
Fresh from the sea, you know? Kind of bucket and thing. Fully bucket up. I want a wench in there?
Yeah.
Show them what I go on in there. See, there we have wrench, doctor. We were first to see a blue doctor there.
Oh my god.
Banana big one there. Never see blue doctor yet.
Pretty bad.
Yo, the doctor is pretty for true.
So sir, where you sell and where people can find you?
Yeah, all about.
All both of them.
All about in a pork.
You can't say all about, you know, because I'm Mobi I come from. Stop now. I'm Mobi I come from, so you can't say all about. Okay, all about a pork more.
We are on to run out and shine them on our next yard. Around them.
Them money I'm a link for, you know?
And them time.
Money family I'm a link to.
Alright. You're full of links, my friend.
Buy food.
You're full of links, though.
Full. Chop.
You say chop.
Chop.
But I always hear him talk about the fish man.
Chop chip.
Me never yet get to see the fish man.
Chop one.
Chop. You want to see a lot more of that, sir?
Oh, see, yeah, man. You know, yeah, me say all hustler chopper, yeah?
All hustler chopper.
All hustler.
Y'all heard that? All hustlers are choppers. Chop chop.
Yeah, chop. All hustler chopper.
Y'all, it's New Year's Eve. Babe no want do nothing, so me I lock up in the house today. Me I lock up in the house today because Joel no want do nothing. Him gets up and him wash. All that alone, that is all him want to do is wash. Wash every friggin' day of the day. Every day of the day him want wash. Here? Every day of the day him want wash. Me now come back at Jamaica. Anyhow, backside. Anyways, what I do at? I am back inside. I'm about to record a video. I'm here doing my photo dump of 2020. So if you are following me on Instagram, you would have seen some things being posted today on Instagram because I just couldn't end off 2020 without, you know, highlighting a lot of the happy moments that happened this year, despite it being a crazy year, and that's exactly what my video is going to be about. So I just done glue back down my frontal, and just make it, you know, I'm gonna have no blow dryer. I wish I was so close to Tash, because if I was close to Tash, we know I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do my hair. But yeah, as I'm saying, just wait maybe about, I don't know what time now, 10:41. Wake from about 6 o'clock this morning. As I said, be a wash. Just stay here, straighten up and try to figure out what we are gonna do today. And yeah, curfew is 10 o'clock I think today, if it's not 10 o'clock or 7, but I believe it's 10 o'clock today and then 7 o'clock tomorrow on New Year's Day actually. And yeah, didn't do anything yesterday, didn't do anything the day before, so there was no vlogs. Y'all, this time is really different than July. Like, there's just a lot more restrictions and stuff in place. But yeah, we're gonna try and figure it out and make the best of the rest of the days that I have left here. And yeah, so I will come back to you guys if anything more interesting happens. And yeah, I don't know what the countdown is gonna be like this year. There won't be no fire. Well, I can't say there won't be, but I don't know how fireworks is gonna work if curfew is 10 o'clock. So yeah, I should have went on a resort for today, but who knows, we shall saw. Well, I'll come back. So it's later in the day and I didn't accomplish anything that I said I wanted to accomplish. Babe and I went on the road to go look food. He ended up getting food from Captain's. They only had one serving left for food. So
no, but one next one could have did it. She did tell me. This is a big piece of yesterday.
He ended up getting some food. Me never end up getting no. I just finished live. But babe bought some alcohol. We are a little under 2 hours. Yeah.
One down.
1 more to go. So we're literally under 2 hours till 2021, you guys. Our live just a while ago was so freaking good. Yeah. Thank you for congratulations, guys. We appreciate it. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you ain't following me on Instagram. Okay, you need to follow me on Instagram. ZOESH 3 A's. It's not that hard. And if your profile picture is not there, if you have like 0 followers, 0 posts, I will not accept you. So send me a message and let me know you're a subscriber, and then I will accept you. As simple as that. But yeah, or just stay. Stop! That was so loud, bro. You have no respect. Anyways, let's take the shot. Come on. Get it. Let's take a shot. We're gonna take a shot for New Year's. Can you manage?
What if you take a picture? See your man.
I can just hold it like this and screenshot it. You look for us. Oh god. This is funny, dog. Holy shit. Hold on, guys. Coming up. What? Y'all spilling something for me, people. If it's a Joel shirt, if you were on the live, you would know that Where's your cap? Take the cap off the Appleton bottle.
Same time.
Yes, think about it. Yeah, that one's better for you because that one's smaller. You have something to chase it down afterwards. Open the Pepsi and do it same time. But you're gonna need it.
You gonna need it.
I can handle my liquor better than you. You don't drink, I do. Cheers to 2021, babe. That is not even a shot. Hold on, let me show them. Yo, your teeth, Brenda. People, OMG, I can't even show you guys like this. I have to put down the camera. What is this? Do you guys see? It's not even at the top. It's literally right here. It's so deep. That's his shot, okay? That's not even a shot, babe. That's a taste. That's his shot, and look at mine. First of all, look at the size of my bottle. At the brim! Overflowing!
You are drinking.
Anyways, cheers. Freaking teeth. Jesus.
You want a shot? I get a bullet. I know I'm not feeling it. Like you're really blood.
I kept it in my mouth for too long. I should have just swallowed it.
What it done? That mean
oh my god.
Make me right fast. Because I want to take things. You know anything? You have to take all that thing.
Yo, that was disgusting. I do not drink like one time, so my belly is turning already. Oh, ew. Yo! Anyways, I hope your guys' New Year's Eve is more festive than ours. Although I feel like everybody is suffering the same way. Like,
curfew then.
There's absolutely not everybody has curfew. You guys have curfew. We don't got no curfew.
Some people have
but I mean, everything locked down. So, oh god.
You better than lockdown.
But people probably still gone at them friend house and stuff like that. We can do that. We are on curfew. You have to be in your yard by 10 o'clock. Tomorrow by 7 p.m.
So after spending more years together, doing other things.
Can you stop? You're on camera. So I didn't tell you to that. I didn't tell you to that. Yeah, but my live cam private. Enough to make it public. The bright light starts to fade. Fire macrolizer. Float on with the waves. You make me feel like you make me feel
This.
Stop. Okay. Happy New Year! Shut up, fire, people. Shut up, fire. It's 2021. I feel so different already. I just feel so. I don't feel no damn way. I feel tired. I'm ready to go on my bed. I don't know how hard it is for people to stay up till 12 o'clock. Okay? So good night. I will see you guys New Year's Day when I wake up. Okay? Love you guys. Hope you guys had a safe New Year's Eve. Oh, you guys, it's a whole new year. Can you guys believe we made it? We made it. We made it, you guys. Somehow, some way, God favored us and we made it to 2021. Be grateful, okay? Be grateful. We're blessed. All right. See you guys in the morning.
Long distance love.